Good morning, class 12. Today I am going to teach you accountancy. What topic? Calls in arrear and calls in advance. When a company issue its share in the market, public purchase its share and they become its shareholder. The company may call the whole amount at a time in a lump sum or partially at a lump sum or partially by way of calls. Sometimes the shareholder may not pay the amount called on a particular date. That amount may called calls in arrear. Now, what is calls in advance? If a company accepts the amount against the calls or calls which are not made yet, the amount so received in advance is called calls in advance. It may also happen in a case of partial or pro rata allotment of share. When the company retains the excess amount received on the application share beyond the allotment money, this is called calls in advance. We show the calls in advance in the equity and liability part of balance sheet under the head current liability and subhead of the other current liabilities. Now, what is pro rata? This is a very important topic for your CBSE board class 12 examination. Company may receive application for share in a form of oversubscription. Oversubscription is the subscribed share by the shareholder beyond the issued shares. As a good reputation possess company in the market have profitable future prospects, receive oversubscription of shares. Thus, pro rata allotment become possible only over the oversubscription of shares. Now we will see the journal entries relating to pro rata. Now see the journal entry relating to pro rata. When a company makes pro rata allotment on receipt of application money, as usual journal entry, bank account debit to shareholder application. Number 2, transfer application money on share capital. As I discussed earlier, pro rata is only possible when oversubscription is made by the shareholders. Transfer of application money to shareholder share capital account. Share application account debit to share capital application money to share allotment excess application money adjusted with the allotment to share call account. If balance is remained after share allotment account, then it become to share call account. On share allotment due, share allotment account debit to share capital account. Share allotment may received bank account debit to share allotment account. Now this one is the question relating to pro rata. As company issued rupees 10 lakh new capital divided into shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 20 per share payable as rupees 10 per share on application. Rupees 40 per shares and rupees 10 premium on allotment and rupees 50 per shares and rupees 10 premium on final payment. Overpayment on application were to be applied toward amount due on allotment, and overpayment on application exceeding amount due on allotment was to return. Issue was oversubscribed to the extent of 13,000 shares. Applicant for 12,000 shares were allotted only 1,000 shares and application for 2,000 shares were sent regret letter, means application money refunded. All the money due on allotment and final call was duly received. Pass necessary journal entry. So in this question, 10 lakh rupees 10 lakhs is issued capital 100 each and 20 is premium. Rupees 10 on application, rupees 20 40 per shares, and rupees 10 per on allotment, and rupees 50 shares and rupees 10 on final payment. The solution: amount payable as application rupees 10, allotment with 50 rupees, how 40 rupees for allotment and 10 rupees for premium. Similarly, first and final call rupees 60, that is 50 rupees for first and final call and 10 rupees for premium. Now total is 120, 100 plus 20. Now see the solution. This one is the format. Now first, bank account debit to share application account. See the narration. All the information regarding each transaction is given in your narration. Being share application money received for 23,000 shares at rupees 10 per share. The 23,000 into 10, that is 2,30,000. Now again, share application account debit to share capital to share allotment account to bank account. As I said, every information regarding the transaction is in your narration. Now see the narration. Being share application of 10,000 shares transferred to share capital $50,000 adjusted on allotment and remaining amount returned. Now
23,000 into 10, that is 2,30,000. Transfer to capital 1,50,000 is adjusted with the allotment, and the balance is returned, that is 80,000. Now see the working note before starting further transaction. Applied share as 12,000 issued share year 1,000. Money received 12,000 into 10, that is 1,20,000, and money transfer to capital 1,000 into 10, that is 10,000. Excess 1,10,000 and allotment due at the rate of rupees 50 each, that is 50,000. Now excess adjusted on allotment, that is 50,000 by into 5, 1,000 into 5, that 10,000 into 5, that is 50,000, and excess money after allotment return 60,000. Now applied share 2,000, issued share nil, and here is 20,000. Money transfer and return 20,000. Allotment nil and nil. Again 90,000 share applied. For 90,000 shares applied, issued share is 9,000. Application money received 9,000 into 10, that is 90,000. Money transfer to capital 90,000, and allotment for that 90,000 into 50, that is 4,50,000. Now see the total. Applied share is 23,000, issued share is 10,000. Money received on application, that is 2,30,000, and money transfer to capital 1 lakh. Excess allotment due at the rate of 50, that is 5 lakh, and excess application adjusted 50,000 and return, that is 60,000. Now see here the transaction. Share allotment account debit 5 lakh, that is 10,000 into 10,000 into 50, including rupees 10 as a security premium. Share capital is 4 lakh and security premium is 1 lakh. Now first call due. Share first and final call account debit 6 lakh, share capital is 5 lakh and security premium is 1 lakh. Now next, first and final call received, bank account debit to share first and final call by 6 lakh. Now this one is the solution. The total solution is from here to here, and this one is a working note. Without working note your solution is not completed, so you people have to give your working note in your solution.